Ever signed up for a free trial, only to realize you've completely forgotten about it? That little voice in your head starts to whisper, "What if they charge me? What if I can't cancel?" It's a common anxiety in our subscription-heavy world. You see that enticing offer, 7 days free. Try it now, no risk. And you think, great. I'll just check it out and cancel before the deadline. But then, life happens. That email reminder gets buried. That calendar notification is dismissed. And you're left with a sinking feeling, wondering if you're about to be billed for a service you haven't even used. Well, if that free trial is for Spocket, you're in the right place. Maybe you're a new dropshipper exploring your options, or an established one who just wanted to test the waters. Either way, you've decided Spocket isn't the right fit for your business at this very moment, and you want to ensure your bank account remains untouched. The good news is, canceling your Spocket free trial is a straightforward process, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step. No more dreading that next credit card statement. We're going to tackle this together, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently say you've canceled your trial and won't be charged. First things first, let's get you logged in. You'll need to head over to the Spocket website and enter your credentials. If you've forgotten your password, no worries, there's always a forgot password link to get you back in the game. Once you're inside your dashboard, you might be tempted to look for a big, red cancel button right away. It's not always that obvious. You need to navigate to your account settings. Typically, you'll find this by clicking on your profile icon or name, usually located in the top right-hand corner of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear. Look for something that says My Account, Account Settings, or Billing. In Spocket's case, it's pretty clearly labeled. Click on that. This is where all the nitty-gritty details of your subscription live. On the Account Settings page, you'll see a variety of tabs or sections. You'll have Personal Info, Security, and importantly, Billing. This is our destination. Once you're on the billing page, you'll see information about your current plan, the remaining days of your free trial, and any payment information you might have entered. This is also where you'll find the option to cancel. Now, here's a crucial point. Spocket, like many platforms, doesn't want you to leave. They might try to offer you a deal to stay, a temporary discount, or ask for feedback on why you're canceling. Don't be swayed if you've already made up your mind. Be polite, but firm. You're here for one thing, and one thing only, to cancel that trial. Look for a link or a button that says something like Cancel Plan, Change Subscription, or Downgrade. Clicking on this will initiate the cancellation process. Spocket will likely prompt you with a series of questions. They might ask you to choose a reason for leaving, or offer to pause your account instead of fully canceling. Again, if you're sure you want to cancel, just select the appropriate options and proceed. You're not obligated to give them a detailed explanation. A simple "I'm not using the service" or "exploring other options" is perfectly fine. Once you've navigated through their prompts, you should receive a confirmation that your free trial has been successfully canceled. This is the most important part. Double-check for that confirmation message. You might also receive a confirmation email. It's always a good idea to keep this email for your records, just in case. And that's it. You've successfully navigated the digital maze and canceled your Spocket free trial. Your credit card is safe, your mind is at ease, and you can now focus on the next big step for your dropshipping business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.